How to use the BetMGM app for live betting. If you want to use the BetMGM app for live betting, just launch the BetMGM app and this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. Now what you want to do is, you can normally just navigate to the live betting section from the home page by tapping the live option, and these are the games that are currently going live. So just choose an event that you'd like to place a bet on, and there you can simply pick a bet option like moneyline, point spread, or total from the ongoing games. Once done, you can type in how much you want to bet and wager it and place your odds as well. It will be added to your bet slip, by the way. Once it has been added to your bet slip, you can enter the amount and confirm the bet. This way you will be able to use BetMGM app for live betting. I hope that this video have helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.